Hi everyone, welcome to the Passion for Purple collaboration hosted by MetalScrappinChic, who is Kim. Hi Kim. Um, it's obviously a passion for purple, and I had a different plan for this month, but because we got the Bargain Bead Box in May, which had beautiful purple, I think quartz, I don't have the paper right here, and some citrine and some antique copper findings, I decided to just use that. So although this doesn't have a whole lot of purple, it does have the quartz and the glass faceted coin beads, twisted coins I think they were called. So this is about a 22-inch necklace. It's a little bit longer. I turned this sideways and made it into a pendant this way. And this I had to wire wrap through 2 little holes here and down, and that worked out well. And then these, I wire wrapped them, but I just, this is on a head eye pin that came in the kit. The only thing I added to this were jump rings, antique copper jump rings, which I think were from AC Moore or Joann's years ago. I forget, they're almost all gone. But I made basic loops with the head pin, so these are all on the, eye pins that came in the kit. And then I didn't link them directly to each other because that would be hard, so I used the jump rings that I had. And they're about a 5 or 6 millimeter jump ring. I wish I had smaller ones for some of them, but I don't. But then at the clasp, I used 2, both on the toggle bar end. I used 2 jump rings for more stability and also or security, and also on this side. This is a really cute clasp, and it does, I was a little worried it wouldn't stay in good, but it seems to, so yay. Anyway, so that is the necklace. And then I just made a matching bracelet, more or less. I just thought I was going to do a stretchy bracelet and have these in the middle, but yeah, I figured, you know what, they gave us like 4 clasps, so I'm going to use a clasp. And I had 8 or 9 inches exactly left of Soft Flex's amethyst beading wire. You can't really see it because I covered it with a wire guardian in antique copper. Those were from Beadbox Bargains, and some copper crimps, which I actually think were from Jewelry Maker. I do have some from Soft Flex too, but I think I used some from Jewelry Maker. So I did that on both sides because I was hooking right to the clasp, and I thought it would get a lot of wear there, so I wanted the wire guardians for security. So I just did 3, 1 of the coins, 3, 1 of the coins, and then I didn't have room for 3 in the back, either on the beading wire or size-wise. This is about a 7, maybe a little bit, it's around a 7-inch, that's all. I'll just leave it at that, roughly. So that is those are my makes for Passion for Purple for this month. I hope you like them. Using the Bargain Bead Box from May. I'm going to do more projects from that. This is already my second set of projects. This was my first set from the Bargain Bead Box. If you miss seeing that, go watch the hashtag Be Creative Flowers from yesterday, 13th. Today's the 14th. Anyway, this is my project for the month of May for the Passion for Purple. I hope you enjoyed it, and I had a lot of fun making it, and I'll be back sometime this week with more Bargain Bead Box projects for May, but not as part of a collab. All right? Take care. Have a great day.